Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah subhanahu wa ta'ala wa salatu wa salam ala khatamil anbiya. Today our topic is interfaith marriages. It should be noted that the marriage of a Muslim man with a non-believer woman is not permissible. However, if she is Kitabiya, who follow the religion books revealed on prophets like Judaism or Christianity, then a Muslim man can marry her with two conditions. Condition number one, she should not be a Christian or Jew in name only, which means she shouldn't be irreligious actually. She can't be agnostic or atheist, but at least she believes in her religious principles, even though she goes against it in practice. For example, she believes in her prophet and the book revealed to him. She has faith even if she is not convinced of monotheism. Condition number two, she must be a native to Judaism and Christianity and has not apostatized from Islam and adopted Judaism or Christianity. Neither she should be any deviant so-called Muslim sect like Rafzi or Mirzai or Qadiani, so-called Ahmadi. Then, when these two conditions are found in a woman of the book, the marriage with her is valid and solemnized. But marrying her unnecessarily is abominable and contains many evils. In today's enchanted environment, while the acceptance of evil influence is increasing day by day, and the general situation is that instead of the men's influence being established on the women, dominant girls make men their subordinates, as well as believer of the books, as well as these ladies from Christianity or Judaism, when they become mother, they raise kids not according to Islam. Ill effects of it also have a lot on the children. So despite the justification, it is advised not to marry the women of the people of the book. That is why Sayyidina Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu prohibited Muslims from marrying the women of the book during his caliphate. The rest of the matter is that to be people of the book, or is it also necessary that those people have faith and practice in their book correctly? So in response to this question now, the former Grand Mufti of Pakistan, Mufti Shafi Usmani, rahimahullah, writes in Ma'arif al-Quran. Now, it is a matter that to call and understand Jews and Christians as people of the book, is it a condition that they follow the original Torah and Gospel correctly, or those who follow the false Torah and Gospel, and those who declare Jesus and Mary, peace be upon them, as partners of God, are also included in the people of the book? So it is clear from the numerous specifications of the Holy Quran that to be the people of the book, only this is enough. It is enough that they are convinced of a divine book and claim to follow it, no matter how much they have gone astray in following it. The Holy Quran has given them the title of people of the book. It has also been said that these people distort their heavenly books. And Allah also said that the Jews declared Uzair, peace be upon him, to be the son of God, and the Christians declared Jesus, peace be upon him, to be the son of God. Despite these beliefs, conditions and attributes, when the Quran declared them people of the book, it was found that the Jews and Christians are included in the people of the book as long as they do not completely leave Judaism and Christianity, no matter how many wrong beliefs and bad deeds they are involved in. Imam Abu Bakr Jassas narrated in Ahkam al-Quran that during the reign of Sayyidina Umar Farooq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, one of his agents or governors wrote a letter and discovered that there are some people here who read the Torah and they respect Yawm al-Sabt, the Saturday, like the Jews do, but they do not believe in the resurrection. What should be done with such people? Umar radiallahu ta'ala wrote, they will be considered a sect of the people of the book. Only nominal Jews and Christians who are duplicitous are not included in it. Today, among the Christians and Jews of Europe, there are also a large number of people who are called Jews or Christians according to their census, but in reality they do not believe in existence of God and any religion. They do not consider the Torah and any gospel as God's book, and they do not accept Moses and Jesus, peace be upon them, as the prophets and messenger of God. These people cannot enter the order of the people of the book because of the name of the census only. Regarding the Christians, Sayyidina Ali radiallahu ta'ala, may Allah be pleased with him, said that their slaughter is not halal. The reason for this is, as we told above, that these people do not believe in anything divine. Ibn al-Jawzi has quoted same type of saying from Sayyidina Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu with an authentic narration that he was asked about Bani Taghlib Christians. He said that one should not eat the slaughters of Bani Taghlib because they did not take anything from the religion of Christianity except drinking alcohol. Imam Shafi'i also narrated this hadith with a valid chain of narration. Now, if anybody want to study more about this, he can go and read Tafsir Mazhari and volume number 3, Surah Ma'idah. In summary now, it is known for certain that those Christians do not believe in the existence of God, or do not believe that Prophet Moses and Jesus, peace be upon them, are the prophets of God. They are not among the people of the book. As mentioned in Surah Ma'idah, verse 5, former Grand Mufti of Pakistan, Mufti Wali Hassan Sahib, may Allah have mercy on him, writes in response to a question: if a girl of the people of the book believes in the current gospel, even if she believes in corrupted book, or if she believes Jesus as a prophet, even if she commits shirk, the same is the case with a Jewish girl, then her marriage to a Muslim is permissible. But it is not better. If otherwise, if a Jewish or Christian girl is duplicitous, does not believe in her prophet or the divine book, then her marriage to a Muslim is illegal and forbidden. That's it for now. We will meet in the next video. Thanks a lot. Kindly share the knowledge with your beloved ones. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum.